Hi everyone, welcome, and thank you for joining us today in the Golf Cart Garage as we take a closer look at the features and installation on the Madjax Clays Basket. It's a quick, simple upgrade we can show before we get into reconditioning and remodeling this entire cart. Today we're installing it to a Yamaha G29, but it's also available for models from EZGO and Club Car. I don't know who Clay is, but his basket is a home run install. Here's what I noticed right away on delivery. Quality. It's really well packaged in a full print retail box. Heavy duty hardware and construction. The frame welds are neat and professional, the finish is strong, and the bottom and side panels are a heavy feel metal plating with openings, as opposed to the weaker metal netting that we see on some baskets. It took us a grand total of 5 minutes to install with just a couple wrenches, and it came with full color printed instructions. With photos. Written by someone whose first language is English. So there's no need to download Rosetta Stone and become fluent in Mandarin just to get your front basket put on. Especially if you have high-end remodeled carts or keep top-quality upgrades installed, this is the basket for you. It will keep up with the overall look of a remodeled cart, or even class up the joint if you want to install it to an old beater, like when I clean up and put on a nice suit. Where did you get? Anyway, you get the point. Just put this basket on your cart and follow your favorite common sense advice and guidelines. Don't put all your eggs in it. It puts the lotion in the basket, or else it gets the hose again. If you need the best quality basket for cargo, storage, target practice, this is my recommendation. But if you need help with anything else, stop by golfcartgarage.com or give us a call at 1-800-401-2934 so we can help show you around the garage. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more episodes. Thanks for watching GCGTV.